Hi, I'm Javier. This is Pets at Sea, and I'm glad to see you. We're going on a cruise soon, I think in about 10 days or so. It's time to pack. This is the right way you do this.
You need your hat. Oh.
Come on, man. Yes, absolutely. Make a list and check it twice. We're going to the ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. Let me know how you pack. Let me know if I missed anything. And stay until the end, because I have a secret for you. You need your snorkel gear. My Hawaiian shirts. I'm gonna need at least 3 or 4, maybe 5 shorts. You gotta bring a bunch of t-shirts for the day. I also wear some nice polos for the evenings. We're gonna have 2 formal nights, and Rosa made us do this. We also always bring a floaty for Rosa. Don't forget your socks, at least 5, 6, 7, 8.
Especially if they're a Christmas gift.
Yes, absolutely. Water shoes, your Crocs, your casual shoes, which I don't have here, but don't forget your dress shoes. Of course, you gotta bring your underwear. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna show you that. Don't forget to pack your swimsuit and your water shoes. Okay, now, trick number 1. Your socks need to go inside your shoes. Use all the available space you can find. Just like this. All my shirts go to the cruise with their hangers. Right here. Just like that. I try to keep them as straight as I can. Don't worry too much. We're going on a cruise, and this is a Carnival cruise. We can iron something over there if we had to, or we can just send them to the laundry. These are my shirts and my t-shirts. And that's it. And there it is. Yes, that's how I do it. Okay, so now that I am done with my luggage, I'm gonna move on to gather my stuff for my carry-on bag, which I will not pack until probably the day before we leave, but I wanna make sure that I have everything I need. I'm gonna show you just an example of the things that we're gonna carry. I still have to coordinate a bunch of things with Rosa and perhaps narrow it down so we're not carrying a bunch of stuff while we're trying to enjoy our burgers and our meals over there on the first day. We usually print out all the reservations and booking numbers for everything that we're gonna do, including excursions and things like that, because it's easier to just have that and not to have to be looking for that on our phones. We're gonna carry our jewelry, lanyards, of course sunscreen, camera gear, phones, medication, our passports, sunglasses, charger, cash, and don't forget your swimsuit. Now, here is our secret. We don't carry a bunch of things that we are really not gonna use, like shoe organizers, clips for the towels at the pool, a bunch of decorations. Rosa sometimes brings some decoration for our room, but something simple. We don't bring fans. We don't bring magnets, different gadgets to compartmentalize the drawers or anything like that. Or we don't even have packing cubes. Rosa and I just take everything out of the suitcases and put them in the drawers, leave like that for a week and put it back in the suitcase the same way it was. We try to keep it simple and concise. And that's our secret. Anyway, I'm Javier, this is Best at Sea, and I'll see you later.